Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find out what is currently trending on TikTok by using this new TikTok SEO feature. And in here, I've already opened the TikTok app, so you can use this feature to know what keywords or thought trend that is popular on TikTok now. So here you can just go to the search column at the top and then just type in creator search inside this one, and you'll see this. And here, this is the feature. You can see what TikTok users are searching for and get inspired to create new videos. So by using this, you can just click on view, and here by using this, you can see there is a lot of suggested topics that you can use. For example, on my country, there is a top food places, best food places, music wallpaper, frozen food recommendations. So you can just select, you can just create a video based on these topics. So hopefully your videos will be trending also on TikTok. You can also click on trending tab in here, can see what now is trending and create the content from this. You can also search based on the category fashion, food, sports, tourism, and others. So that is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.